Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to get Spotify Premium. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open the Spotify app and tap on the Premium on the bottom right corner. As you can see, there are only premium plans popping up and you cannot buy them here. So, all you have to do is to open your browser and go to Spotify.com. Log into the account on which you want to buy the premium package. After logging in, tap on the Profile Overview to see the premium plans. After that, all the premium plans will pop up. Select the plan that suits you best and then tap on Get Started. It will then ask for your payment method and your credentials for buying the premium package. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.